Students, in today's lecture video, we shall discuss about the properties and uses of refractory material. We shall discuss about the uses of tiles, terracotta and porcelain glazing. I am Soumya Sahu, lecturer in Civil Engineering at SKDP Government Polytechnic, Rourkela, and this video lecture is prepared for the third semester Diploma Civil Engineering students. The industrial uses of refractory materials are for the lining of a furnace arc and for the walls of a furnace interior with burner blocks. The properties of refractory materials. Abrasion resistance. The mechanical stress of refractory bricks is not caused by pressure alone, but also the abrasive attack of the solid raw materials as it slowly passes over the brickwork and by the impingement of the fast moving gases with fine dust particles. Therefore, the cold crushing strength is not alone sufficient to characterize the wear of the refractories. There is no approved method for testing abrasion resistance, but there are some methods available to give reference values such as worm grinding machine method and sandblast method. Specific heat. The specific heat is a material or temperature related energy factor and is determined with the help of calorimeters. The factor indicates the amount of energy needed to reach the temperature of 1 gram of material by 1 degree Celsius compared to water. The specific heat of refractory material are very low. These values are less than 1/4 value of specific heat of water. Next we shall discuss about the uses of tile. Here are some places around the home that can benefit from tile applications. These are counter, bathroom, backsplash, flooring, wall accents, and exterior. Counter. Ceramic tile is among the most common materials for kitchen countertops because it's hard and water resistant. It holds up extremely well to the moist and often humid environment of the kitchen. Bathroom, mostly used for floor. They are also commonly used in walls. Backsplash. Almost all backsplashes are made of tile because of its natural water resistance. Some people prefer stone or marble, but these are expensive materials. Flooring. Tile is one of the cheapest flooring options, especially compared to popular materials such as hardwood and marble. Most tiles can withstand heavy use in living rooms and the heat and moisture of bathrooms. Wall accents. Small decorative tiles make great accents for walls, counters, and flooring. They usually come in stronger, deeper colors and feature interesting patterns, often to complement the color of bigger tiles. Exterior. Some tiles can actually be used on the exterior walls of your home. These are usually decorative ones made to look like natural materials such as wood and stone. They make great alternatives to exterior paintings since they don't fade and can withstand most outer elements. Next we shall discuss about the uses of terracotta. Terracotta is used for sculpture made in earthenware and also for various utilitarian uses including vessels, water and wastewater pipes, roofing tiles, bricks and surface embellishment in building construction. Besides using terracotta for decorative items, it is now increasingly being used for making variety of products such as jewelry, smoking pipes and bangles. Glazing. Glazing is defined as a protective treatment given to a certain class of clay product with a view of improving their appearance and to protect them against weather, sewage, and chemicals. A glaze is a thin film or glassy coat having 0.1 to 0.2 mm thickness on the surface of the clay products as a result of glazing. Glazing is provided to improve its resistance to water, chemicals, and atmospheric gases, to improve its durability, to impart a pleasing finish and decorative design on its surface. There are three glazing processes: salt glazing, opaque glazing, and porcelain enameling. Salt glazing is employed to impart transparent lustrous finish to the products of stoneware categories. It consists of throwing a sufficient quantity of common salt in the kiln where the products are being burnt at high temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. At this high temperature, thrown salt gets vaporized and the vapor spread over the entire surface of the articles. It forms a thin layer of sodium silicate or glaze on chemically reacting with the hot surface of the article. Salt glazing is not practicable for inferior type of clay products, useful for sanitary pipes and chemical stonewares. Here you can see the pictures of salt glazing. Opaque glazing is very common process for making the surface of some domestic and general appliances of metallic nature very smooth and resistant to chemical and deterioration by dusting. They are widely used for domestic applications like crockery and sanitary wares. Here you can see the pictures of opaque glazing. Porcelain enameling is very important from your exam point of view. Making the surface of domestic and general appliances very smooth and resistant to chemical and deterioration by dusting, porcelain enameling is provided. The best variety of clay is used and crushed into finest powder and mixed with calculated quantity of water to make a thin paste. The article to be enameled is given a uniform coating of this sleeve using a spray gun and then subjected to heating in furnace at very high temperature around 1500 degrees Celsius. The glaze material gets uniformly dispersed and stuck to the metal surface very firmly. Thank you, students. If you have got any doubt, you can ask your doubts in the official WhatsApp group.